Let's make jalapeno cheddar sourdough bread. 100 grams of your active starter, 350 grams of water. Mix this together well. 500 grams of bread flour, and then go ahead and mix this together. 10 grams of salt, and then we are going to knead this in for 3 to 5 minutes. And the dough will be sticky at this point. Go ahead and cover, and then we are going to let it rest for about 30 minutes and then come back and do 3 rounds of pull and folds. We're gonna do our first round of pull and folds, and you do wanna have your hands wet, but what you're gonna do is grab your dough on one side and pull it up and fold it in. Rotate fourth and do this clear around your bowl. Then cover, come back in about 15 to 30 more minutes and repeat it 2 more times. We're going to do round 2 of our pull and fold. So again, grab your dough, stretch it up, fold it in, turn it a fourth. You will notice that the dough isn't as sticky this time. Go ahead and cover and come back and do the final round in 15 to 30 minutes. Let's do our last round of our pull and fold. So again, go ahead and pull it up, fold it in. Then I'm gonna go ahead and cover and then let it rest for 6 to 12 hours or until it doubles in size, and then we will come back and shape it. Sprinkle your countertop lightly with some flour. My dough has about doubled in size, so I'm gonna go ahead and get it on my countertop. And I'm gonna pull it out to a rectangle because I'm adding some jalapenos and cheddar to it. Go ahead and add your cheese. And then next I'll add some jalapenos. I do use fresh, and you can use as many as you want. And then after that, I'm gonna go ahead and fold it into thirds. So I'll fold it in, and then we'll add some more cheese, and then add more jalapenos. And then go ahead and fold the other side over. And then you're gonna roll it up. And then when you push it away from you, and then when you pull it back towards you, tuck it under. So push, and then tuck under. And you're rotating your dough as you do this. I'm gonna add a little bit of flour to the top, and I've added some flour to my banneton. Go ahead and put that in your banneton basket, and then cover, and I'm gonna let it sit in the fridge overnight, and I will bake it tomorrow. Make sure you preheat your oven to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. And then I'm gonna get some parchment paper out. So I'm gonna go ahead and get my dough onto the parchment paper. Go ahead and score it. When you're preheating your oven, make sure you preheat it with your Dutch oven inside it. I'm going to cook this on 450 degrees for 30 minutes, then remove the lid, turn the temperature down to 400 degrees, and cook it for another 15 to 20 minutes. And there you go, it is all done cooking. I'll go ahead and put the full recipe in the description below, but join me for more recipes.